the bee.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh.
Hey guys, this is my YouTube channel right here. This is youtube.com/c/ADHdranger. I'm gonna need you to get the latest merch on my channel. All you have to do is this. Just go right here to this link, click on it, guys, and there you go. Here we go. Look, all this stuff right here. That is merch.streamelements.com/ADHdranger. And remember, guys, at the end of the month, I'm going to be giving a giveaway of this shirt right here. If you guys can get me to 1,000 subs and a coffee cup of your choosing, of course. And if you guys can get me to 500, like 1,500 subs, I'll be giving away just a coffee cup by itself. Again, here you go. And we are back with another reaction video. I'm the Stranger Josh Ryan, and the stranger is ready for some goddamn danger. Now, before we start this video, remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are watching I'm So Dummy Thicc by Anime Meme. I've never seen this video before, first time. Without further ado, I have my videos on how to get my merch store in the front, as well as get to my Patreon at the end of the video. Remember, guys, I need subs. Remember, I'm doing a giveaway at the 1,500 subscriber mark. I'll be giving away one of my coffee cups on my merch store, and then at the 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be giving away a t-shirt and a coffee mug as well. Without further ado, let's watch this shit. Alright. Okay.
Oh, bother. I'm so dummy thick.
Oh.
Thick.
Oh.
A clap of my pooh cheeks has alerted the bee.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my god, no.
Yeah. Oh,
No.
yeah.
Oh, bother.
Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, let's just watch that fucking last part right there when he fucking claps his cheeks one more fucking time. That shit was fucking funny.
Pooh cheeks has alerted the bee.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, bother.
Oh my god, that shit was funny. Anyways, guys, that was I Am So Dummy Thicc by Anime Meme. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Remember, all my fucking links to all my pages are in the banner up top of my channel art, as well as in the description below. And remember, at the 1,500 subscriber mark, I'm giving away a coffee mug. At the 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm giving away a coffee mug and one of these t-shirts right here. Anyway, guys, you Rangers, don't be strangers. We'll see you next time. Oh, bother.